Gretchen, is it time for a new one? Remember, I asked your friends if it's time for a new scratchy. You know what they said? Yes, please. That scratchy's not no good anymore. Huh? Gretchen. Let's see. Now he's sitting on it. Gretchen. Ganti. I asked your friends. They said yes. Please. Gretchen, I wanted to show the current state. Now he's laying on top of it. Gretchen. Up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Oh my gosh, Gretchen. Check this out. It's completely done. But since you all told us to get a new one, I did. First of all, we have new dry food. Oops, sorry, Gretchen. New poop bags with hearts because it's Valentine's Day and you're the cutest boys on the planet. Yes. There we go. I only ordered one for now. I actually don't want to have too many sitting around here. Gretchen? No! Check this out. Big difference, huh? Let me open it. Or do you want to open it? One sec. Gretchen! Check this out. Please go ahead, give it a try. Oh boy. That's nice, huh? New scratchy. Wow. Wow. Still smells a little bit. It's your favorite now, huh? Gretchen, what a difference, huh? Nice. Very nice. You going to sit next to me now, huh? This box is also great, right? All right, I'm gonna dump this now. And this one I'm going to put next to the window. So I have a little co-worker. Say bye, Gretchen.